Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm KAVIARKEZ. I hope you guys are all doing well. Look how silky she is, you guys. Get into it. Stick around for all the details about today's wig and today's install. Today's hair sponsor is Megalook Hair. I have worked with Megalook a bunch of times on my channel. Every single wig that I've received has always been like really high quality and super silky and full. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch 13x4 straight wig. So I'm gonna spray it down. Today, this is the Bold Hold, why do I keep saying Bold Hold? It's not the Bold Hold, it's the Bold Hold dupe by Eben. It is their holding gel. And I'm actually going in with a pretty generous amount this time. Okay, now I'm going to detail the hairline. Wherever it's lifting, I'm gonna put some more. Looking good. Now we're gonna detail it with some Eben spray. Just to finish off the look, I am gonna go in with some foundation along the hairline because you know this little white line, you might not see it, but I promise you it does show up sometimes in the pics and then it drives me crazy. Just trying to move those hairs that I don't want as baby hairs away. And it's a little tricky at first. I'm hungry. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Side part it is. So I am gonna put a little swoop-de swoop over here. Some Eben spray, blue can. The blue can has keratin, so it's probably a little bit safer for your skin. Where is my wax stick? I did notice a slight difference with this lace compared to all the other laces, but I swear to goodness, you guys, I still think like some companies have a really long way to go when it comes to their HD lace. If they're calling this HD, that's fine, but I don't know that it's HD. I would say it is maybe an HD transparent because it's still giving transparent, like it's still giving like a white cast. HD lace, you don't need anything, it melts into your head. I don't think that this is the true definition of what an HD lace is. That's just my opinion, you guys. You can take that with a grain of salt, but nonetheless, it is definitely a better lace than their traditional transparent lace, because I noticed right away when I took it out of the package, it wasn't giving as like intense as like their normal lace does give. So there's that. So that's a good thing. As for, you know, the lace being really long in the hairline, like the hair coming really far down, and that ear thing where it kind of stabs me in the back of my ear, that's still a thing. I keep saying this, but if you really have a big head, this is the company for you, because there's lots of room in the wig and there's lots of room like everywhere. As you can see, like if I press down like really tightly, that's kind of how it's supposed to look, but I noticed it's a little bit bigger here and here, and of course there was just a lot of hair I had to cut off of the wig to fit my head. I do wonder if they do have smaller sizes, because if they do, next time I do a collaboration, I would be interested in trying out a smaller size. But you guys, the hair is very silky on this wig, and it is very full, like very, very full, lots of sway. Loving that about it. When you pull it to one side, it is super, super thick. So definitely check them out. That's all I have for you today. If you enjoyed this video, leave me a thumbs up. It really does go a long way. I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Bye for now.